In this video, I will share my technique, how I plant plants really cheapest way. You don't have to put too much money on them. And since I have a lot of plants and they grow really good and fast, so I decided to make a video. Now let's start. First, the hole is really important. You have to make really deep hole. Like if you planting like small plant or tree, still you need to dig a little bit deep. So this hole is about like 1.5 feet. And second thing, I'm using this Earthgrow manure that's really cheap. I think $1.50 bag. And the top of that one, I'm using this garden soil. That's all two things I'm using. So now let's start. First, as you can see, I have a almost 1.5 foot hole here for the plant, but you don't need it that deep. But I have it that deep because the bottom of the roots for the plant are gonna be really soft. If you have a not that deep, the bottom of the roots is gonna be really hard, and which one gonna be make hard for your plant or tree to grow. So now I'm going to plant this one. So I'm just gonna do balance, like level. I need a little bit more high, so I'm here right about. I'm not gonna press too much. So now the next thing, I'm going to put manure inside. So the rest of we're gonna level with the manure. So now we're gonna just move from the round so plant will come out easy out of the pot without breaking any roots. Just hold here, tap it from the bottom. Here we go. So here, just double check if it's already level. That's the one I need. Now we're gonna put some plant soil around. I'm also gonna mix some manure in. And now we're gonna press firmly. So actually plant soil and the manure, they will help our tree roots or plant roots to breathe out. So they're not gonna be tight. You don't wanna put too much dirt. You can also mix dirt. Or the sand is the best. If you have a topsoil or the sand, you can mix sand with it. So we done. We have planted our plant. Thank you very much.